Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to enable call waiting on Google Pixel 10, 10 Pro, 10 Pro XL, and any other Pixel device running the latest Android 60 version. Call waiting feature is helpful when you're speaking to someone else on your device, and any third-party user or any other people can contact you, and you can see the notification on the status bar that someone is calling you. So this feature is very helpful to if you miss any calls on your device while speaking with someone else. So make sure enable this feature on your device. To enable this, open the app drawer on your device, tap the phone app, tap on a three horizontal line at the top left corner, tap on a settings. Now scroll down, tap on a calling accounts. Here you can find your network name, carrier names. Like here we use the Jio SIM card, so you tap on your network name. Now tap on additional settings on your Pixel devices. Here you can find the call waiting option. During a call, notify me of an incoming call. So whenever you speaking with someone else, it will notify you about any incoming calls or someone calling you on your device. So toggle on this option will automatically notify you about the incoming call. So very helpful feature. So make sure enable this feature on your device. That's it. Like it, share it. Thank you for watching this.